Okay, today I want to show you how to set up new profiles in Outlook. So if you see, I've got my desktop here, and if we just open Outlook, it just pops up right away. What we're going to do is set up a new thing so that it will give you the option of which account you want to connect to. So the way I do that is I click on Start, and I start typing in Control Panel. And you should see it just pops up right there. All right, click on Control Panel. And then once we're in Control Panel, I'm going to go up here and type in Mail. And we're going to see Mail Microsoft Outlook show up. And once we do this, we click on there, and up pops this little mail configuration tool. And we want to click on Show Profiles down here. And I only have one profile. It's called Outlook. And this is configured to always launch the profile called Outlook. Obviously, that's what I want to do. If, in fact, I'm migrating my email from one place to another, let's add a second profile. We'll call it Microsoft 365. And it should pop up immediately with this window, which is how to add a new account. And with Microsoft 365, all you need to do is add in your password. With some other email hosts, you need to add in the server and the ports and all that, but with Microsoft you don't. You only need to do your email address and password. So I'll type in my password here and click Next. And it's basically searching the internet for trying to figure out where the server is, and it's just going to automatically detect all of this. I do not want to, now it's finished, I do not want to set up Outlook on my phone. I'll just click Finish. We got the 3 check marks here, so that lets us know everything was complete. So now we have the 2 accounts, Outlook, which was my original one, and Microsoft 365, which is the new one. Now I'm going to set this up to prompt for the profile to be used, and click OK. And we'll minimize this. And here's Outlook. Let me close this, and when we reopen it, you should see instead of just popping right up with a full Outlook window, it will ask me which profile I want to load. The Outlook or the Microsoft 365. So I can choose which one I want to load here. If we go back into the control panel, type in Mail again, you see that when I launched Outlook, it showed the Outlook as the default profile is the one that was first selected. So if I change this to 365 and then I change it back to prompt, it will still prompt me, but now it will use the 365 as the one that it defaults to in the list. 365. And that's all. Then you click Open, and everything should be working with your new Outlook profile.